The Great Samosa and Pickle Fish Festival, Geeta Masketa, MTR's Bandani's ugly daughter, and the legendary feast in KwaZulu-Natal. In the heart of KwaZulu-Natal, nestled between the lush sugarcane fields and the warm Indian Ocean breeze, there lived a woman named Geeta Masketa. Geeta was a legend, not for her beauty, though she was no slouch, but for her uncanny ability to make samosas out of anything. You could throw her a box of stale bread, some questionable chutney, and a half-wilted onion, and within minutes, Geeta would present you with the crispiest, fluffiest samosas the village had ever tasted. She had perfected the art of samosa making to a level that could make Gordon Ramsay weep into his perfectly salted potatoes. But Geeta wasn't alone in this culinary battlefield. Her lifelong rival, MTR's Bandhaniye, lived just down the road, and his daughter, oh boy, his daughter, was what the villagers call special. Known only as the ugly daughter, she was infamous not because she was physically ugly, though she certainly had a face only a mother could love, but because her personality was so sharp, it could cut through steel. Her main talent? She made the most disastrous pickled fish that could knock out even the hardest of stomachs. The smell alone could send cows running into the ocean. Every year, the village held the Great Samosa and Pickled Fish Festival, where Geeta and MTR's Bandani's ugly daughter would face off for the title of greatest food maker in the land. This year, however, the stakes were higher than ever. The prize wasn't just bragging rights, it was the coveted Golden Tongue Trophy, a glittering piece of kitchenware that had been passed down for generations. The pressure was on. As the festival day approached, Geeta worked tirelessly. She spent all night kneading dough, chopping onions, and singing Bollywood songs to keep her spirits up. Mile Sur Mera Tumhara echoed through her kitchen as she prepared the samosas to end all samosas, stuffed with everything from spicy beef to chicken tikka to a sweet, tangy mango filling. The pride of her village rested on her hands. This year, I'll show that fish-smelling disaster who's boss. Geeta muttered to herself, wiping the sweat from her brow. Meanwhile, MTR's Bandani's ugly daughter was preparing her masterpiece. Now, the thing about her pickled fish wasn't just its smell, but its complexity. The fish had been marinating for so long that even the vinegar was scared of it. The entire village knew that a single bite could knock you out for hours, and the fumes could clear a room faster than a speeding car. But MTR's Bandani's ugly daughter didn't care. She loved pickled fish like a mother loves her child. It's an acquired taste, she said, smirking to herself. Only the brave will survive. The day of the festival finally arrived. The village square was packed with excited food lovers, families, and the occasional curious cow that wandered too close to the festivities. A massive stage was set up, with two tables at the center, one for Geeta and her samosas, the other for MTR's Bandani's ugly daughter and her infamous pickled fish. Geeta stepped onto the stage, a smile as wide as a crocodile's grin, her hair perfectly done, her samosas golden and gleaming. Step aside, fish lady, she whispered under her breath, ready to conquer the world with her crisp, flaky masterpieces. Then came MTR's Bandani's ugly daughter. She strutted onto the stage with an air of confidence that could only come from someone who had spent decades perfecting the art of fish-based terrorism. The moment she opened her jar, the crowd took a collective step back, as if the very air had become contaminated. A breeze of pickled fish and overpowering vinegar hit the crowd like a punch in the face. "Who's ready for some fish?" she called out, her voice a mix of pride and mischief. The crowd reluctantly cheered, some holding their noses, others wondering if this would be their final moment on earth. The judging began. Geeta handed out her first samosa to a local farmer, who took a bite and immediately stood up, his eyes wide with joy. "This, my friends, is the taste of the gods," he bellowed, dropping a tear from the sheer deliciousness. The crowd cheered, and Geeta basked in the glory of her win. Then came the ugly daughter. She handed out her first piece of pickled fish to a brave soul named Saifo, who was known for his iron stomach. He took a bite, his face instantly turning green. I feel funny, he muttered, before stumbling backward and knocking over a table. The crowd gasped. His legs wobbled like jelly, his face twisted in agony. This fish, it's got powers, he said, before collapsing onto the ground with a dramatic flair. Geeta couldn't help but laugh. See? This is what happens when you mess with samosas, she said, tossing her hair like a Bollywood heroine. But the ugly daughter wasn't done yet. She turned to the judges, her eyes narrowing. You think your samosas are good? Try this, she yelled, presenting her next jar of fish. The judge, a grumpy old man named Uncle Dalamini, gritted his teeth and took a bite. His face turned an alarming shade of purple as he slapped his hand to his mouth. He gasped, then immediately turned to Geeta. I need water. No, I need life support. The crowd erupted in laughter, and Geeta's samosas had never looked more appealing. But just when it seemed like victory was in Geeta's hands, MTR's Bandhani's ugly daughter pulled out her secret weapon, the ultimate pickled fish surprise. This wasn't just pickled fish. Oh no! This was fish that had been pickled with spices so hot, so spicy, that even the devil himself would hesitate to take a bite. Are you ready for the ultimate experience? She grinned, before handing the fish to the youngest member of the judging panel. The poor kid took a bite and immediately ran around in circles, screaming in what could only be described as a pickled fish-induced frenzy. The crowd gasped, watching the spectacle with mixed horror and awe. The judging panel was in chaos. We can't declare a winner, they cried. These dishes are both deadly. But after much debate, it was decided. Both Geeta Masketa and MTR's Bandhani's ugly daughter were crowned champions of the Great Samosa and Pickled Fish Festival. Geeta won for her samosas, and the ugly daughter was honored for her unparalleled bravery in creating the most dangerous pickled fish in the history of the festival. From that day forward, both ladies were celebrated in KwaZulu-Natal. Geeta continued making samosas, each more exotic than the last, while MTR's Bandhani's ugly daughter became the local legend who could make the bravest of warriors weep. And so, the festival continued year after year, with locals saying, you can survive a samosa, but no one survives the ugly daughter's pickled fish.